Hey everyone, this is our Google Season of Talks 2021 presentation for the references section of Wechaty. In the team members, there's me, Soumi Bardhan. I recently interned as a summer analyst at Goldman Sachs, and I am a computer vision and AI enthusiast. And my other team member is Shraddha Prasad, who is an ST at American Express and also a student mentor at Newton School. You can connect with any of us in the links. So the objectives of our project was to improve the references section. So the references section guide contains the technical description of the machinery. It also contains like code samples and is information oriented. The references guides contain clear descriptions of classes, API, functions, methods, attributes, and many more technical aspects of the software. The Wechaty references aim to guide the end users completely about Wechaty. So the references guide will contain the following sections: the API references, the polyglot, Puppet providers, Puppet services, and specifications. The API references have the use cases for API references. We also aim to add more code snippets and more details about user classes. The polyglot contains code snippets with easy to understand examples for first time users in different programming languages. In Puppet provider sections, we updated and added more modules for each of the messaging apps and added necessary code snippets. For Puppet services, it already included some of the mostly used Puppet services offered by Wechaty. We worked on improving it. Now, these were the tasks that we had to do. These are all the modules that were there. That is, in the references section, there was the overview and then the API, which had these following sub modules. And Polyglot, Puppet providers, Puppet services, specifications, all these also had their own modules as well. And we were able to complete all the tasks. These are my pull requests that I created during the Google Season of Docs timeline, the development and doc development phase. So these are all the links, and most of them have been merged. So you can go to these links to see what changes were made. And these are some more of the PRs. We kept track of all the progress that was being made throughout the GSOD timeline on this issue, that is the update references section, this issue. And all the PRs were mentioned here so that we could easily know what was going on and how much had been done and what was left. So that was helpful. Now, Shraddha will be talking about her work throughout GSOD and some more important sections.
Hello, I am Shraddha Vasant Prasad, teammate of Soumi Bardhan in the Google Season of Docs 2021 program under the organization Wechaty. So in this slide, I am presenting the PRs or the pull requests done by me in the tenure of GSOD. The milestones achieved. In this program, we created a new, brief, and clean documentation structure for the references section of Wechaty. We also created a user-friendly documentation which contains new information, code snippets, images for the end users to understand the Wechaty RPA bot better. The learnings in this project has been really amazing, and the learning curve in the whole journey has been steep and also great. So the program has helped us to understand the importance of technical documentation, learn about Docosaurus and MDX, learn about RPA, robotic process automation bots, and also get involved in an innovative community like Wechaty. Lastly, the acknowledgements. So we are very thankful to the Google Season of Docs team and also the Wechaty team for giving us this opportunity. We would also like to thank our mentors Huan and Rui. And lastly, we would like to thank our volunteers Simon and Rohitesh for their constant support. They led the video meetings in a well-organized and an interactive manner. We would like to thank them for making the meetings a great platform for discussion. The future plans. So we would continue to work towards contributing to the WeChatty community, and we would also in the future detect and rectify issues in the implementation of the WeChatty RPA bot in the future. Thank you.